In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a high-quality voice clone in ElevenLabs in 2026 and the recording mistakes that can ruin the results before you even click generate. First, make sure you are on the 11 creatives. Now, go to the voices, click this plus button, and then choose the instant voice clone. Upload or record your sample in here and then confirm that you have the right and consent to clone the voice. Now here's the biggest mistake. Recording in a noisy or echo-filled environment, your clone learns from what you give it. If the recording contains background noise, room reverb, music mouth clicks, or other unwanted sounds, those characteristics can influence the generated voice. So before recording, choose a quiet room with minimal echo. Keep your microphone at a consistent distance. Use a pop filter if you have one, and make sure your recording level isn't clipping or extremely quiet. ElevenLabs recommends keeping the recording consistent throughout. For an instant voice clone, aim for around 1 to 2 minutes of clean audio. Don't assume that uploading more is automatically better. ElevenLabs says going beyond 2 or 3 minutes can provide little improvement and can sometimes hurt stability. Next, pay attention to your performance. This is another mistake people make. If you record half the sample calmly and then suddenly become extremely energetic, the AI has conflicting information about how your voice should sound. Keep your tone, accent, pacing, and speaking style consistent. Now click this next and then give your voice a name. Then select your language, accent, and give your voice a description. Like this, and then say voice. Now, once you successfully upload your voice, go to text to speech, and then select your new clone from the voice drop down and generate a short test using a script similar to the way you recorded the original sample. Now, if you're looking for a more advanced clone, professional voice cloning uses substantially more training material. ElevenLabs recommends at least 30 minutes with roughly 2 to 3 hours providing better results. And that's it. That's how you create a better ElevenLabs voice clone and avoid the recording mistakes that can ruin the entire results before you even start. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.